So I must apologize. My internet is very bad. It seems that the power went out in the city, and I don't know what's going on, but this side of the city does not have any power now, and it is late, so I cannot check it. So I really have to apologize to you. I'm really sorry.
No, it's okay. And if you're wondering why Fat Gus is not here, I'm not sure. I think she just ran away to do something, and I hope she's not skipping class because she has been chewing on her ruler that whole time when I was reading my book. So I think she needs some lessons to fill her vocabulary thing. Because when I tested her, she literally said she don't know what prone means. So, yeah, okay. This is a refill.
Oh. Okay. Well, I hope that Fat Gus is not skipping any classes, hopefully. Now, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Dearest Professor.
Sorry.
Now, everything's okay. We just discussed the outcome and the stimuli, or stimulus. Are you able to understand what stimulus means? Something that stimulates you to have a reaction.
Yep.
Okay, can you give me an example of a good or a bad stimuli?
Okay. And, in case you don't know why I gasped when you were talking, it's because my spider was walking on an invisible web string, or, well, silk or something. Yeah, so it's kind of epic, so I was gasping and, like,
It is epic, yeah.
Yeah, you should have seen it. He was so fast. He's still trying to kill the moth. I don't think the moth is gonna get killed, though. It might kill itself. Because it's hungry, you know.
Well,
yeah, so, let me think.
I'm kind of scared of spiders, so I don't really want to see it.
Oh, yeah, my mom is also scared of spiders, but it's just a tiny house spider. She's the one who discovered him.
Oh, yeah, you told me that. I remember.
Okay,
Okay.
so let me think. Cats make Fat Gus shriek. The stimulus is the cat.
Okay, perfect. The presence of the cat makes Fat Gus speak. And let's talk about outcome. Tell me about one time that you remember you had a nice outcome happen to you.
I got 100 on math and English because I studied hard. Yeah.
Okay.
So the outcome is that I studied
Very well.
hard. No,
I understand,
the
and I'm
outcome
glad
is, like,
you understand.
100, yeah. So Chinese I didn't get much. Well, Chinese is the highest one, and my jaws will drop whenever someone gets 100, so yeah, okay.
Well, I feel the same about students and my colleagues who are able to either speak many languages or score very high scores on their tests. That is, to me, very impressive. And yes, it makes my jaw drop too.
Wow.
Now, moving on, we have nuance.
Nuance.
This is the French root, as you can see. Why? How do we know that? Well, every time you see the word looks a little weird, you should suspect it comes from the French language. It usually has a lot of vowels in it. Look for the nuance. I've prepared something for you. Let's focus. Sorry for the background. I kind of lost the other one. We can maybe use either this one or this one. Or this one.
I mean, I have a good idea. Wait, can you go
Okay,
back?
I love your ideas.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
And just a moment.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. Wait, okay, you can't change the color, so yeah, okay, there you go.
Okay, but
Sorry, but you're kind of frozen there.
what
Now glitching.
what did you, can I help you in some way? Okay.
Okay, you just glitched.
I glitched, and it might be internet or magic. I've been using a lot of magic lately, so it might be that too.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeet.
Okay, let's do this. I kind of want you to read this too. Can you do that?
Okay, nuances. Small, subtle difference, feeling in meaning, feeling, or tone. This is not a big difference, just a tiny detail that changes how something sounds or feels. Example, she's fine.
Yeah. Imagine if I said she's fine or she's fine.
Aha.
Yeah, it's like a shade. There's a shade. There's a slight difference in my tone of speaking. You noticed it, right?
Yep.
Yes, exactly. So when we say there's a nuance, it's just very, very subtle change to something. It can be a difference in the meaning, a feeling, or a tone. Maybe I can walk differently, and you can say, oh, there's a little nuance to her walk.
Aha.
I can change my hair color. Imagine if I colored my hair almost identically, almost the same like this, but not the same. There's a nuance. I changed a shade of my color in the hair.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and by the way, I got a good example. For
Perfect.
example, so yesterday Frank was making a pink dress, but today he made a yellow dress. A neon pink dress. Faka says there's a little nuance on your shade of pink. And Frank says, thank you. Even though yesterday, his dress was like this, which
Yes.
is a little bad. And by the way, a normal dress should look like this. So, yeah, okay. And today, his dress is literally like a bunch of mess, but in the tone that this L shape is.
Okay, I understand. Can you look at these sentences here, please?
He made a mistake. He messed up.
Is there a difference between the two of them?
A little. The first one says made a mistake. The second one says messed up. Wait.
So, do you think that maybe this sentence and this sentence have the same meaning, but this one is kind of mean and this one is not?
Yeah, I kind of saw that.
One thing to remember about nuance is always subtle. It's always subtle. So there's a subtlety to it that you need to be aware of. We will move on now, okay, so we can finish this. Is that okay?
Yes, that's okay. And the skull is really messed up, which is kind of creepy. Oh dear.
Yeah, I try not to look at that, but you just pointed out. Okay, dearest professor, it's time for the final assembly or the synthesis. I want you to take a look at this and to please read it to us.
Okay, we can not look at just one side. Human development is a collaboration between our genetic history and our environment. Nature sets the boundaries, but nature plays the game.
That's
Wait,
the same thing we kind
plays
of...
the game.
Oh, I heard you nurture.
Yeah, I thought it was nature.
Yes. Okay, I don't know why this returned here. Let's go back. Okay. This is pretty much what we already covered. And you know this. You know why this happens, do you?
Yep.
Okay, so we are born a certain way, but there are some changes that can happen. What causes the changes? What can affect us?
Well, our environment can affect us.
Exactly.
And our person around us can affect us. Like, for example,
Yes.
For example, I have a French friend that always speaks French. Then I will also speak in a French tone.
Exactly. See, that's actually pretty common. That happens to a lot of people. You can change accents, even some words you speak, depending who are you surrounded with.
Yeah, like
Now-
for example, because I'm always with Fat Gus. I usually really like to eat nuts.
Oh, is that so?
And I like to bounce around the rocks as well. Like, it feels really cool to bounce around the rocks even though you're a girl.
Yes, I get it. It makes you feel more free and more capable, maybe.
Yep.
Now, you will have to give me an official finding report here.
What? Okay, report 001.
Scientist type.
Scientist type, geneticist. Sorry, but I thought I was the guy that likes to learn about DNA. Okay, fine. Okay, out. Timing factor, predetermined. Like, yeah, okay. Relationship status, collaborative. Sign, professor.
Collaborative.
collaborative. Signed, Professor Ivanka. And by the way, that's not my signing. My signing is like this.
Okay. We usually say, not my signing, we say my signature. Okay?
Yeah, okay. My signature is supposed to be like that. So, yeah, okay.
I put it here. You just signed it. Thank you, Professor Ivanka.
Okay.
Now, field notes. Field notes are something we get from the field, from the outside world. That's why we call them field notes.
Okay.
This is instructional strategy, and this is pretty much what we had to use to kind of get through this. Let's start here. What is this?
An identity. You're Professor No 3. Yeah, I know it's short for number, but saying No 3 is funnier. So, No 3.
Yes.
Own the expertise. Morphology. Do not memorize spelling. Memorize assembly.
Important.
Application. Use the inventory slides. 9 minus 11.
9 to 11.
9 to 11. Pick your parts.
Okay, so this is basically note to you, to yourself, okay? Not very important to me as a teacher. It's more important to you as a professor.
Okay.
And now, Professor, with that, the lab is now yours. The world is waiting for your next paper.
Wow.
This is the end of the transmission. Yes. Which I think was very exciting. Time for the new adventure. How ready are you? Are you feeling ready?
I'm feeling okay. And what happens if you scan the QR code?
Well, I don't know. Should we scan it?
I guess we can try.
Okay. Do you want to scan it?
I mean, sure, but my digital watch does not have
Wait.
the ability to scan QR codes other than buying.
Wait, let me check. I'll scan it. Okay.
Okay.
Well, nothing's happening.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't really. It's not taking me anywhere.
Oh, so it's just a random QR code then.
Yeah, it's not taking me anywhere. I tried. Wait, I think the power's back. My neighbor is writing to me. Let me check. Yeah, the heat is on. Just a second.
Horse. Perfecto.
I have returned.
You have returned to what?
Yes. To my internet that I usually use. Not to the slow internet. Yes, so I apologize. Again, I'm very sorry. Okay. Ivanka, we have a quest upon us. How ready are you for this quest?
As the scale from 1 to 10.
Yes.
Okay, then I choose 9. Wait,
9.
what?
Okay,
What?
why not 10?
Well, that's only because, like, I mean, I'm not sure if I could, like, maybe know a lot of words, so I just assumed, okay, 9 then. And, yeah, okay. Where have you been? It's already the second class.
Okay. This is going to be a little different than what we did before. Why I say that? Because we will be writing a lot, actually, here. Are you a good writer? Do you like to write?
To me, not really, but I guess I can write. Just maybe not so good as Chinese.
Okay, I understand. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help. So, in the part 1, let's try to take a look here and answer the question, okay? I will give this to you as a homework. Is that okay?
So,
You have all the instructions here. What I will do in the next class, you will read your homework to me, and we will go over all the errors if you have them, and I will explain why is that right and why is it wrong. But you have to promise me something.
mm-hmm.
Don't use any AI, okay?
Got it, and
Can you promise?
yeah, got it, and my eyes turned smaller when you said don't use any AI. Not because I want to use the AI. It's mostly because, like, why would I use AI? Like, I've been writing my whole 6-year-old life when I was, like, having another class with Connie. It's another teacher. She's from Texas. And, yeah, I've been writing texts all the day. So I'm like, why would I use AI? We never used AI when we wrote Connie's text. So, yeah, okay.
Well, did Connie help you a lot?
No, because most of my texts were like, okay. But
Okay,
also,
well, I will make sure.
she also corrected me, so yeah, okay, she helped.
She helped, okay, that's very important. Try to do this on your own. Why I mentioned AI, you wouldn't believe the amount of my students that use AI for their homework.
What?
You wouldn't believe. A lot of them, Ivanka, I swear, like a lot of them are using that. And I can recognize when the AI is involved. That's not very
Why?
nice.
Why would you, how can you recognize? I'm kind of mind blown.
There are apps that you can use online that they can proofread their homeworks. They can check their homeworks to see whether they're original, whether they were written by a human or the machine, also known as the AI.
Artificial intelligence.
Exactly. So, are you okay with doing this as your homework?
Yes, I am totally okay, and I'm very, very totally okay to do something that I have done when I was 6 and all the time. Except when one day my dad literally just shut that app out and then he added it back again. So, yeah, okay.
You know what? This might be a little boring to you, but it's a good thing to check how much do you know. how much did you progress in a good way? Or maybe how much you don't know. That's always good to know. And if you write a good homework, we can maybe work together, collaborate to create a story using AI. What do you think?
Okay, I accept.
We can make up characters.
Well, yeah, okay.
I think that would be fantastic. Again, I want to apologize for my internet today. I hope it didn't bother you a lot.
It did not.
Okay. This is going to be a fun ride for us, and I have fun things in plan. So I can't wait for the next class.
Okay.
Stay well. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I do not.
You can always send me your questions or your voice messages. You know I listen to all of them, right?
Wow. Okay, so, quick question. Did you actually listen to my, voice message when I sent you that? Because, now I'm curious because you said you would have listened to all. So, yeah, oh wait, so did you listen to mine as well? This time?
Just now, did you send before the class? I didn't, because I didn't really have the good internet and I couldn't.
Oh.
But every time you send them, I listen to them. I promise you that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If you have no other questions, I would like to say my goodbye to you
Okay.
and Pat Gus, and I'll be seeing you in the next class.
Okay.
Have a nice evening.
Have a
and
nice evening.
Good. Well, it's kind of the morning, so... Yay! Bye! Bye, guys!
Bye-bye. See you next time.
See you!